A vision to lead. Technology to shape the future. Engineer to deliver solutions. Ideating to manufacturing excellence. All of these at Macpower CNC. Situated at Metoda GIDC Rajkot, Macpower has emerged as the fastest growing CNC machine tool manufacturing company of India. Macpower offers 60 plus models in 27 product categories including robotic automation, serving 27 different industry segments ranging from automobile, aerospace, agriculture, engineering goods, die and mold, defense and many more. An efficient sales and service network covering 31 destinations nationwide with 107 engineers. We also provide in-house training to upgrade our existing workforce. With several regional offices, 7 distributors and 4 technology centers in India, Macpower CNC has set example of ever-growing distribution network to expand its horizon to cater to various industry segments at length and breadth of country. With stringent quality policy in place, we have set standard operating procedures to produce state-of-the-art product meeting all quality compliance standards. Macpower has bagged coveted 5 Foundation Award 3 times in a row in IMTEX for excellence in design, as well as recently gained prestigious Scotch Order of Merit Award, has resulted in setting a new industry benchmark. Almost a zero-debt company with indigenously developed technology, Macpower intends to expand its production capacity from 600 machines per annum to 1200 machines per annum through backward integration and announces an IPO for the same under the leadership of Mr. Rupesh Mehta, promoter, chairman and managing director.